Maintaining soft, smooth, and healthy feet can be a challenge, especially with our busy lives. Cracked heels, rough skin, and neglected nails are common issues, but the right pedicure kit can make all the difference. Today, we'll review the top 5 pedicure kits that offer salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. These kits cater to various needs, from electric file systems to complete tool sets. Let's explore these options to help you choose the best one for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Emjoi Micro-Pedi. The Emjoi Micro-Pedi is an innovative pedicure tool designed to tackle rough, dry, and calloused skin effortlessly. Compact and effective, it's perfect for individuals seeking quick and professional results at home. Key features: this kit features a micromineral roller that spins at 30 revolutions per second, ensuring efficient exfoliation of tough skin. It's battery operated for cordless convenience and comes with replaceable rollers for extended use. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, even during prolonged sessions. Benefits and usage: the Emjoi Micro-Pedi is excellent for removing calluses and smoothing out rough patches on your feet. Its fast-spinning roller ensures effective exfoliation without damaging healthy skin. Simply glide the roller over dry areas for instant results, leaving your feet soft and smooth. Usability: lightweight and easy to use, this pedicure tool is ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Its cordless design offers flexibility, and the replaceable rollers ensure you always have a fresh tool for the best results. Durability: made with high-quality materials, the Emjoi Micro-Pedi is built to last. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the rollers and replacing them as needed, will ensure optimal performance for years to come. In the second spot, we have Acevivi Pedicure Kit. The Acevivi Pedicure Kit is a comprehensive solution for all your foot care needs. This all-in-one kit combines electric exfoliation tools with traditional pedicure accessories for a complete foot care experience. Key features: the kit includes an electric foot file, multiple interchangeable rollers, nail clippers, a cuticle pusher, and a storage case. The electric file has 2 speed settings and a rechargeable battery for convenience. Its waterproof design allows for safe use in both wet and dry conditions. Benefits and usage: the Acevivi Pedicure Kit is perfect for addressing a variety of foot care concerns, from calluses to overgrown nails. Use the electric file to remove rough skin and the included tools for trimming and shaping nails. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for at-home pedicures. Usability: the electric file is easy to operate, with simple controls for adjusting the speed and changing the rollers. The additional tools are straightforward and user-friendly, making this kit suitable for all skill levels. Durability: constructed with durable materials, the Acevivi Pedicure Kit is designed to withstand regular use. Proper cleaning and storage of the tools will ensure they remain effective for the long term. Coming in at number 3 is the Kedsum Electric Pedicure. The Kedsum Electric Pedicure is a powerful and portable tool designed to provide salon-quality results at home. Its compact size and robust features make it a favorite among busy individuals. Key features: this pedicure tool features a rechargeable battery, 2 speed settings, and 3 interchangeable rollers for different levels of exfoliation. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and its compact design makes it travel-friendly. Benefits and usage: the Kedsum Electric Pedicure is excellent for removing calluses, smoothing rough skin, and maintaining soft, healthy feet. The interchangeable rollers allow you to customize your exfoliation process, making it suitable for various skin types and concerns. Usability: its straightforward design and easy-to-use controls make the Kedsum Electric Pedicure a great choice for beginners and pros alike. The rechargeable battery ensures you're not tied to a power outlet, adding to its convenience. Durability: made with sturdy materials, this pedicure tool is built to last. Regular cleaning of the rollers and proper storage will keep it in top condition for years. Taking our 4th spot is Skey Pedicure Set. The Skey Pedicure Set is a high-performance electric pedicure tool designed for intensive foot care. Its advanced features and sleek design make it a must-have for those serious about foot health. Key features: this set includes an electric foot file with 3/4 sand rollers, 2 speed settings, and a rechargeable battery. The waterproof design allows for both wet and dry use, while the LED light enhances visibility during use. Benefits and usage: the Skey Pedicure Set is perfect for tackling tough calluses and rough skin. The quartz rollers provide effective exfoliation, while the LED light ensures you can target problem areas with precision. Use it regularly to maintain smooth and healthy feet. Usability: the ergonomic design and simple controls make this tool easy to use. The rechargeable battery and waterproof construction add to its versatility, making it suitable for use in the shower or on the go. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the Skey Pedicure Set is designed to last. The replaceable rollers and rechargeable battery ensure you get the most out of your investment. Taking care of your feet doesn't have to be a chore. With the right pedicure kit, you can enjoy salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Whether you prefer the high-tech features of the Emjoi Micro-Pedi or the comprehensive tools in the Vicks Pedicure Set, there's an option here for everyone. Regular foot care not only keeps your feet looking great but also ensures they stay healthy and pain-free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you in the next video.